This is lesson 16 of Hands-On Equations. Today we're going to be working on solving problems using pictures and no manipulatives. Our first problem today is 2x equals star plus 6. So I'm going to draw a picture of what that looks like. Now, to show the next step, I'm going to draw another scale, but in order to make sure I'm following my legal moves, I cannot take an x away from the left and a star away from the right. So, one of my strategies that I can use is to add an x to both sides. And when I add an x to both sides, on the left, I end up 3x. And I'm going to pair up that x that I'm adding with my star, because I can take it away. And I'm then left with 3x equals 6. So x equals 2, star equals negative 2. And to check, I plug these back into my original equation. X is 2, so 2 times 2 is 4. Star is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 6 is 4. And yes, 4 equals 4. So that was a pretty basic problem. Let's try one that's a little more challenging. We have 2x plus star plus 3 equals 2 star plus 15. Now you can pause the video and try to solve this one on your own, and then play it again and I'll show you how I solved it. First, I'm going to draw it out on my scale. 2x star 3. 2 star 15. The first legal move that I can make is to take away 3 from both sides. And I'm left with 12 on the right. And then I can add an x to each side, so that I can remove opposites like I did in the first problem. So, but I have to add 2x because I have 2 stars over here. So I'm going to end up with this. Here's my original x's and my star. I'm going to add another x and I'm going to pair it with that. And I don't have any number cube. Then I have 2 star. I'm going to add 2 x's over here. And I'm left with 12 from before. And now I can remove my opposites. And I'm left with 3x equals 12. And so each x must equal 4. Star is negative 4. We plug those back into the original equation. 2 times 4 is 8, plus a negative 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, plus 15 is 7. Yes, 7 equals 7. Let's try another one. We have x minus 3 star plus 2 equals 8 minus 2x. Now you can pause, but remember we have subtraction here. So building it on your scale is a little bit different. I'm going to start out, we have x, and we have 3 star. To take away 3 star, I have to add their opposites, 3 x's. And now I can take them away. Plus a 2 equals 8 minus 2x. Since I have to take away 2 x's, that means I have to add their opposites, star. Now I can take them away. And now I can solve. but I have to get rid of these two stars on this side. So now I have to add 2 x's to both sides. So I'm left with x, 3 more, 1, 2, 3. Now I have to add 2 more. 1, 2, and 2, and 8, and star, and I have to add 2 x's to this side. Now I can remove my opposites. I can also take away my numbers. And I'm left with 6. Now I have 6x equals 6. Therefore, x equals 1, star equals -1. And when I plug that in, 1 minus 3 times -1, 3 times -1 would be -3. 1 minus a negative, 1 minus -3 is actually saying 1 plus 3. So that's 4 plus 2. 1 plus 3 is 4, and then 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 8 minus 2x, x is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, I'm going to put the practice problems for lesson 16 up. So what you need to do is you need to pause this so that you can see all the problems, because there's a practice problems 16 are not on the website. So there's the problems. You can solve them on a separate sheet of paper.